Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of aibuster. So in this tutorial, actually, I'll show you how to use the SaaS review article option to write SaaS product review. So normally what happen is that normally there are different kind of website where people review different kind of SaaS product. So when we want to review any SaaS product, we can use this SaaS review article option. So all we need to do, click this option here. There are two options available. One is bulk SaaS review, another one is single SaaS review. So for this particular content, I select single SaaS review. And here, all I need to do is to provide the SaaS software name. I provide the name SEMrush and click all this option on. I put Google image, number of image 1, select caption no, number of video, I don't want any video for this content, number of heading 5. If we select less than 5, then our content will be smaller. So if we select 5 heading, our content will be moderate, right? Like 5,000 word, sorry, like 1,000 word. But if we want longer content, then we need to select 10 or 15 header content. For this particular content, I select 10 headers. And then our language is English. We want professional tone here. And point of view, I give here professional. And there is advanced option. For this section, I put this option on, off. And then I need to go to another option. No, all things are okay. So from here, I click submit. It actually took now 2 to 5 minutes to generate a SaaS review article. So our product review about SaaS product review is already complete. So here is provide a nice introduction. And the best part about this that it provides some screenshot so that our content look much more natural. So SEMrush is a keyword research tool most of us already know. So how to use this and how to implement this and what is the usefulness of SEMrush. To explain all these things, we need a lot of screenshots. So it's provide a screenshot here and write what is SEMrush, its pros and cons, its basic reviews, and other things, SEMrush price, and final opinion on SEMrush. SEMrush alternatives is provide Hrefs names, Moz name, and some SpyFoo's name, key features, and then frequent asked question, and then conclusion. So in conclusion, it's also provide different kind of plan and its price level. If you want to avoid these things, you can also you can hide this price section, because those price section is normally is not static, so it's regularly changed. So if you don't want to show the price tag, so you can hide this section as well. But the basic thing is, once you get the entire review of your SaaS product review from this aibuster tool, you can give some manual touch in this article, and after that you can publish the entire content in your website. So this way you can write a SaaS product review content using aibuster tool. So that's all for this video. Bye-bye.